managed to get through this construction, and one of the things that helped us tremendously was 123 was able to facilitate us with the need of the 28-foot and the 40-foot kitchen, including the dishwasher. This is a very helpful way to get you through your construction without having to close and without having your customers suffer. The types of dishwashers that we have in there currently are a push-through unit. They're a low temp, so it does use a little bit of chemical, usually soap, sanitizing. The temperature control for the state of California and the county of San Diego is 120 degrees. So we have 2 water heaters in there that are able to fulfill the needs of our water. We currently, since under construction, we were able to connect to a water direct source. There is 3 sinks, one being the triple sink, which is required by the state of California and the county of San Diego for health services, which is for your wash, clean, and sanitize. And then you also have 2 which are right before you push through the thing. They're a scraper, so you have a pull unit. You can pull through, wash everything, rinse it before it goes in through the machine. So a total of 3 sinks, one being a 3-compartment sink. The amount of plates that we clean per day is somewhere in about, for lunchtime, anywhere on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, an average about 300 to 400 for lunch, about the same for dinner, about 300 to 400 for dinner. On the weekends, we can average anywhere from 1,200 to about 1,200 at night time too. So you're looking at a good average of about 5,000 to 6,000 plates washed.